Typhoon Trami, now just located towards the northeast of the Philippines, east of Taiwan, and south of Okinawa. And just looking at this satellite imagery, we have an upper level trough towards the north that's going to allow this storm system to start to hook towards the north and eventually back towards the northeast as we go ahead through this week. Right now, taking a closer look here on the infrared, and this is a beast of a storm system. Lots of convection, perfect spiral shape, a buzzsaw, and also decent outflow aloft. Plus, this is moving over very warm sea surface temperatures, so these are all ingredients now for intensification of this storm system. Right now, winds of 130 gusts and 160 knots, but look at JTWC's forecast. This is going to stall out, kind of linger out here. Could get up to 145, gusting to 175 knots. Just massive beast of a storm system. As it does linger, it is going to take its sweet time, and that will allow for a little bit of upwelling. So we do expect the intensity kind of back off a little bit, moving here towards the west-northwest. But here's the big thing. Look at the cone of air on this guy, all the way from the southern Japanese islands, Amami-jima, even over there towards central Taiwan. But more and more, the track is leaning towards the right, and more I'm thinking Okinawa, unless things change up drastically, going to be the storm for you. But do want to note the long range track is still uncertain. It's going to slow down midweek, and that's going to allow for that track to waver a little bit. So threat is still from Taiwan to Okinawa, not the Philippines. Quickly break down what we're seeing out here. We have the Westpac high back towards the east, and that trough, as I mentioned, towards the north. Now the trough's going to kind of move away, but it does allow for this to hook towards the north before another high sets up just north of this, and we have to wait for that to break down. So it's all about the timing of when that breaks down, and right now it looks like that will happen by the end of the week before a storm system moves off towards the north and then eventually hooks back towards the northeast. Latest run from the ECMWF, which is pretty decent, long-range model, well, that puts Okinawa right in the storm system. Just one operational model amidst many other operational and their ensembles. This is the latest from the GFS, showing the spread off here towards the north and towards the west. Actually, a pretty tight spread over towards Miyako-jima and Ishigaki, but it does all center around that track. Same with the ECMWF. So I think this is going to be a higher confidence of it moving south of Okinawa, but lots of time to watch it here. Of course, if you have questions, comments, suggestions, post them down in the comment section below. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. If you're watching on my Facebook, be sure to follow. You're going to get plenty of updates here on these storm systems, also weather around the world. Stay safe, everybody, and thanks for watching.